How's it going, everybody? It's Andy the Painter here with the General's Painting Corner in Stiff Neck Studios. And today we're building up Captain Marvel from the new Marvel Crisis Protocol game. This is a fine multi-part plastic kit that includes a nice sculpted plastic base. And this one's a very dynamic pose on this one. She's actually sort of flying up on a rock. And I have to say, out of the ones that I've built, this is probably the more difficult, with those little tiny arm bits. Last, I got her all assembled, and I popped the head on, and she is good to go. This has been Andy the Painter with Stiff Neck Studios and the General's Painting Corner. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great content.